Hi Leo, welcome back to Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, please consider supporting the channel by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. By doing so, you will also be eligible for monthly giveaway reading, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. If this message does resonate with you, please consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign, as this is going to be a general collective energy reading. It may or may not resonate with every single Leo out there. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into your reading here, Leo. I've pulled two oracle cards for you to see what's the energy coming up for you in the month of August. The first card that I've got for you here is milestone, followed by optimism. With the overall message that I've got for you here is loss. So here, Leo, I do feel like you might have encountered some kind of a loss. This could be like a financial situation, like financial loss, or could even be like a job situation, unemployment. This could also be something regarding your love life or your romance life coming up here. So with this overall energy, the loss card coming up here, I do feel like this is something that you need to put behind. This is basically what you need to work through on, like on just letting go. That part definitely coming up strongly here, Leo. So I do feel like the biggest thing that's coming up here for the month of August, or the beginning of August here, is definitely like letting go of the loss, letting go of feeling lost, basically like surrendering and letting go of all this feeling that is coming up strongly within your life at this point of time here, Leo. And with that, after that, I've got the milestone coming up with optimism, which is again the optimism. As you can see here, this person is like being hopeful, or being optimist by looking at the future. As you can see here, this person is just like looking at the sun is just currently now shining again. So I do feel like this is what you need to, like, this attitude you basically need to put forward as we go into the month of August here, Leo. I do feel like whatever loss that's basically like happened towards you in the past, it's time for you to put that aside, or to put that behind you, and just look forward to the future and look forward to the month of August, because I do feel like the month of August is going to bring lots of fulfillment, or basically going to be like a reaping season for you here, even though that you have lost, even though you have gone through some kind of a loss here in the past. And the next card that I've got for you here, Leo, is milestone, which is again, I do feel like this is time for you to actually like celebrating a milestone. All these milestone are the basically like what you have put for yourself here. I do feel like for some of you, this could actually be for those who had gone through some kind of a breakup or some kind of a heartbreak in the past year. I do feel like there could be a reconciliation coming up here, or even a new person that is entering your life. For those of you who actually had gone through a breakup and started to see someone new here with this milestone card, I do feel like going to go into a committed relationship, or basically your relationship is going to take into a new step here with this new person that you just met, or you just get to know here about. But overall, the energy that I'm getting here is that be optimist and letting go of the past, especially of all the loss that you had experienced in the past here. Let's look at the Tower card that I've got for you here. I've got the Six of Pentacles, followed by the Page of Cups and the Two of Swords coming up here. So I'm definitely sensing some kind of a confusion, or some kind of a feeling just unsure here. You could actually have gone through this loss either recently, or even like sometime back in the past. And this particular message is for someone who actually had gone through some kind of loss recently here. I do feel like you're still being hesitant whether to move on, or just like wait for those of you who are in a relationship, or you kind of like having this confusion whether you need to move on, or like still waiting for this person. For others of you, I'm getting that you just lost your job, or some kind of unemployment here, and you kind of like unsure whether you need to wait for them to call you back, or like start looking for a new job coming up here. And the bottom of the deck that I've got for you is the Wheel card, which is an indication towards me that it's definitely going to be a change of event. A turns of event is definitely going to come within your life here, and this turns of event is basically like changing all this loss vibe, all this sadness within yourself here is like basically going to change it into a much more brighter and better future coming up here in the month of August here, Leo. And with this Page of Cups energy, what I'm getting here is that I do feel like some of you even have been dreaming, or like I've been manifesting. I've just been thinking about this day. Okay, when is it that all of this sadness, all of this past hurt, all this like betrayal, everything that's basically you have gone through here, all of this loss is basically just going to go away. That kind of energy coming up here as well. And again, I'm definitely sensing a confusion whether to move on or whether just to stay in that position. And with this Wheel card coming up here, as well as with the Judgment card, I do feel like whatever decision that you take here, some of you going to walk away from this situation because it's no longer serving you. I do feel like for some of you, either again, for those of you who want to stay and for those of you who want to walk away here, I do feel like everything is going to happen according to the divine timing. Everything is going to happen according to the divine intervention coming up here. So I do feel like with this Wheel card, whatever you choose here, definitely going to reap out the outcome of that. And I do feel like the month of August here is the month that we're going to reap all of this thing coming up strongly in your life here, Leo. And the next card that I've got for you here is the Queen of Wands, and then I've got the Eight of Cups, and I've got the Strength card coming up here, which is again the Leo card coming up strongly. And the bottom of the deck that I've got for you here is the High Priestess. Let me move this a bit. So with this High Priestess card, I'm definitely sensing that what you need to do here strongly in the month of August here, Leo, because I'm definitely sensing like this is going to be the month for you. I've got the Strength card coming up here. For those of you who have been feeling weak, or for those of you who have been feeling discouraged here, I'm definitely sensing like this month is definitely going to be a change of event. A turn of event is going to come in your life here, Leo. I'm definitely sensing that you need to follow your intuition, pay close attention to your intuition, follow your intuition, follow your gut feeling coming up strongly here with this Wheel card. And sorry, with this High Priestess card, and combined with this Wheel card, what I'm getting here is that your intuition is also already telling you that there is some kind of a big changes coming up in your way, into your way here, Leo. And I feel like this is time for you to actually trust it and just go base your instinct, go base your gut feeling coming up strongly here as well. With this Eight of Cups and the Two of Swords energy, I'm definitely sensing again with this Six of Pentacles energy coming up here, I'm definitely sensing lots of confusion. You're kind of like weighing up the option here. And I do feel like for some of you still haven't made a decision or still feeling confused about what you need to make here. I do feel like what you need to do here is that try to make a journal, write down all the pro and cons on whatever decision that you're going to take here. Be it love life, be it regarding your career, regarding your finances, regarding your work here. What I would suggest for you to do here to bring the balance within yourself and thus making it easier for you to take the decision here, Leo. What I would suggest you to do here is that try to take a journal and try to write the pro and cons of each of your action, or if each of your decision of what you want to, of what are the things that you want to do here. Once you do that, once you write it down all the way through, what I would suggest you to do here is that try to meditate, or even like just put it aside and then come back to it a few days later or even a week later and try to again read down all the pro and cons and see if there is anything changes in the way of your thinking, or even like the circumstances might have changed after some time here. So instead of just taking a decision at that point of time, or taking decision as quickly as you want it to be, I do feel like it's time for you to just go within yourself here and then weighing out the option coming up strongly here, Leo. I do feel like while you're doing that, while you're actually putting up writing down your thoughts or having a journal with this Queen of Wands energy, I do feel like this is how you're going to regain the clarity, as well as you're going to regain the power within yourself here, Leo. Definitely things are definitely changing in your direction. I'm definitely sensing a lot of change coming up here. There is also a possibility of reconciliation here with this Knight of Cups energy, but again the decision is yours. I do feel like when that happened and this Nine of Wands energy, I do feel like when your person or someone from your past try to make contact with you here, Leo, I do feel like you're the one who's going to be on a defensive side, or you're the one who is kind of like trying to ignore it or trying to not put much thought about it here, Leo. But overall, I'm definitely sensing like there is a strong reconciliation card coming up here. I do also feel for some of you there is going to be a two-person being involved here. Either you're just unsure of going back with someone from your past while you are seeing someone new here at this point of time, or there could be at the moment you try to move on, or at the moment you try to just like surrender and let go everything that happened in the past here. There's definitely going to be a something and someone new is going to come towards your life here, Leo. So let's look at the guidance message as to close up your reading here. The card that I've got for you here is dance, and the message that I've got for you here, Leo, is that move your body to music, dance with the rhythm of life, manifest your dream through dance. And with this card, what does it mean here is that I do feel like once you do this is basically like moving along or going with the flow, or basically like surrendering to the divine intervention here, because there's definitely going to be something of the divine is going to come towards you and changing this whole situation here. And this changes is definitely going to be in your side, or the changes is definitely going to be on your favor here, creating lots of positivity here, because definitely with this milestone card, I'm definitely sensing a lot of positivity. And with this dance card, this is what I mean, that you kind of need to get into that vibe, that your manifestations are coming true. That kind of energy I'm getting here, Leo. And the bottom of the deck that I've got for you here is abundance, with the message that I've got for you here is that enjoy the beauty of life. Your supply is unlimited. Blessings are coming to you. Exactly. Blessings are definitely coming towards you here, Leo. So whatever loss that actually happened towards you in the past, is time for you to surrender and letting go, because there are lots of blessings coming up here and lots of change of events, which is actually inviting the blessings to come into your life. Alright, so that's it for your August 2020 reading. I hope the reading resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.